Hey entrepreneur, I just want to jump on here really quick and show you this new tool that I discovered just a few minutes ago called Tailwind Create. Tailwind itself I've been using for quite a while to help me schedule my Pinterest pins, but I believe this is a new function and I'm really excited to dive right in. We all know how long Pinterest pins can take to create, so I think this tool can really help you streamline your process. So without further ado, let's check it out. Just looking at this screen over here at this animation, it looks absolutely amazing that you can just basically, I guess, upload a few photos, change up some colors, add in your text, and voila, you've got your Pinterest pins. So again, I haven't used it yet, so I'm really excited. So let's try it out. Okay, so for brand preferences, let's have a look. I'm going to be creating the Pinterest pins for my new book, which is here. It's called Online Promotion Tactics That Work. So I have also selected a few images here to help me figure out which ones I'll use for my Pinterest pins. So let's see. Now I have to select my brand font. Okay. And then for my colors, I have them here. Okay, now I have my brand colors. Now I'm going to upload my brand logo. Okay, got it. Well, I actually just discovered there's a video tutorial button as well, so I'll go back and check it out after if I do not understand anything. But let's save preferences. Okay, now let's add the destination link. I've basically gone in and put in all my information. So the destination link to my book, the pin title actually came in automatically by Tailwind, and then I uploaded 3 images that I would like the Pinterest pins to have. Then let's click create images. Oh, actually they look really good. I really like all of them. I think the only issue I have is that I'll probably shorten the title a little bit. It's a little bit long. Let's see over here. We can change up the filters. So mine would be, I guess I'll just do blog for now. Okay. It's pretty cool that they can just generate this much like so quickly. Pin format. Oh, you can choose, for example, minimal style. I do like my minimalistic Pinterest pins. Oh, they're cute. Okay. And I did have a look, and so here I can make my title shorter. So let me just cut that down a little bit. And oh, you can also change up like branding, no branding, logo. And mine right now it's my URL, which I think looks good. So basically with a few click of a button, you have now 30 pins, I believe, or something like that. You have quite a lot of options, and you can quickly also edit them and try on different looks. And I believe you can just change up the colors by clicking on edit. You can change the shapes as well, add in arrows, which is amazing. Let's see what happens when you want to change and try on a different look. So you can change up the colors very easily. Okay. Oh, and you can change based on the most recently used colors. And they have recommended colors as well, which is amazing. All right. And I believe you can also change up the photo that you use in that Pinterest pin. So let's try. Okay, so it's auto-populate the different images that you had put in earlier on, which is super cool. Okay, so let's say we're going to schedule these 4 pins, and I think it's actually very easy. You just click select, and okay, so that's really cool that you can download them as well, and then you can go schedule, all within the Tailwind platform as well. Okay, now we're at the draft section of Tailwind. If you are a Tailwind user, you would be very familiar with this section where you just drag and drop your pins or you upload them manually to schedule them. And if you're not a Tailwind user, don't worry, it's actually very easy to use. All you have to do is basically put in your description, your link, and you put in the board. One thing I love about Tailwind is that you can put in the board here so that all of the Pinterest pins will be added to those boards. Another really amazing function that Tailwind has is that you can shuffle the queue. So then whenever you're going to post, say, 4 pins, like what we're doing right now, about the same content, you can shuffle them up so then they wouldn't be posted at the same time. So I'll just show you quickly. These are all my Pinterest pins for the coming month. And if you just click shuffle, they're all shuffled, just a click of a button. So now that I've used Tailwind Create, I would like to say that it's very easy to use. And as you can see, it only took me a few minutes. I just had to put in some details, colors, font, photos, and then we've got these beautiful Pinterest pins ready for us to publish. And it's all within the Tailwind platform, which makes it even better. I really like Tailwind Create, and I think that I'm going to be using it a lot more in the future. I also like that there are many different templates for you to choose from, and you can check different styles and change up different colors and change up the images as you like. If you want to streamline your process making Pinterest pins, I would highly recommend this tool. If you want to check out Tailwind Create for yourself, you can find the link to Tailwind in the description box down below. If I have any other further notes about Tailwind Create down the line, I'll add them in the description box. Thank you so much for being here with me today and watching this quick tutorial. I hope you found value, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.